Okay, okay, go, go, go. Open it, open it.
How did you know I like Hello Kitty?
Because you were fighting Kaya for the Hello Kitty stuff. You like it, baby?
Thank you. I don't like it. I love it. Oh, Moxie Girl!
Didn't you say you want Moxie Girls? Where's it at? Hey, I got the girl. I got the girl that's kind of your color too. Ooh, I wonder what's that.
I wonder what that is. This Kaya.
Look at the thing on the side. Look at the picture on the side.
This picture is. This picture is pretty. It's pretty. Oh my God! I got next too.
Oh God. Try it on, baby.
Yeah.
I got that ugly face on. Kai, look at her. She's so funny now. Try it on, baby. Just stick your foot in there.
What must you say?
Thank you.
Just stick your foot in there.
Is it too big?
No, no.
That's too big.
Oh, shit.
You have to wear socks.
When you wear socks, yeah, because it was...
Is it too big? Are you sure?
Is it too big or...
I don't know.
Go grab some socks.